and test fired everything back up. So this exhaust, this muffler anyway, is a SC Project muffler. It's off a Supermoto bike. The only thing I had to do is I had to weld on my spuds for the springs, because this header wasn't designed for this muffler, but because it's for a micro. So put both my spring tabs on both ends, and I just used some slip steel, slip collar, just to hold my clamp here and to mount that up to my engine bracket there. So I just got to take that off and get it painted. But other than that though, that's pretty much it. It sounds pretty good, better than the other one. So I got the outlet, it's coming out here, so it's directed through here, but no big deal. Main thing is it works, and it looks a whole lot better than my old muffler. My old muffler looked terrible, so I'll do a comparison. Here is my old muffler. It's my old muffler, new muffler. Old muffler, new muffler. So definitely 1,000 times better. It sounds a whole lot better too. That was the one we used from East Bay when we got smashed into bars and it crumpled the muffler. So we went ahead, got a newer muffler. SC Project, put it on there. Sounds pretty good. Just waiting for a nice test day.